In this module, we will cover CleareOne's Voice over IP tabletop conference phone, the Max IP. The Max IP is the industry's first fully expandable, SIP-based voice over IP tabletop conference system that delivers unrivaled audio clarity and room coverage for your voice over IP phone system. Like the Max EX, the Max IP is a wired device with a wired link connection between the base and the pod. The Max IP maintains all the advanced features of the Max EX, including distributed echo cancellation, first mic priority, and adaptive ambient auto gating. With the Max Attach IP and optional expansion kits, you can daisy chain between 2 and 4 Max IP phone pods for voice over IP conferencing in medium to large conference rooms. Max Attach IP consists of a single base unit with 2 phones and an additional 12-foot link cable. Optional expansion kits consist of an additional phone and a 12-foot expansion cable. We stated in the previous slide that the Max IP is a SIP-based voice over IP conference phone. So what is SIP? SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol. SIP is a signaling protocol used for establishing sessions in an IP network. A session could be a simple two-way telephone call, or it could be a collaborative multimedia conference session. SIP is a request-response protocol that closely resembles 2 other Internet protocols, HTTP and SMTP, the protocols that power the World Wide Web and email. Consequently, SIP sits comfortably alongside Internet applications. Using SIP, telephony becomes another web application and integrates easily into other Internet services. SIP is a simple toolkit that service providers can use to build converged voice and multimedia services. SIP standards are widely adopted as the industry standard among voice over IP protocols. Virtually all major telephony manufacturers now offer either a native SIP solution or the ability to add SIP solutions to their legacy platforms. CleareOne's voice over IP products offer a suite of SIP features, including 3-way calling, allowing for ad hoc conferences without need for a conference bridge, VLAN tagging, allowing users to manage bandwidth usage on the network, TLS and SRTP encryption, securing voice communications over the network, and field upgradability, allowing users to easily download firmware upgrades from CleareOne's website directly into the conference phone. CleareOne's Max IP phones can be configured one of 2 ways, either individually using a browser pointed to a built-in configuration page, or multiple phones all at once using a TFTP server and CleareOne's utility to assign extensions and other dial plan parameters. Although configuration of the Max IP is beyond the scope of this training, here are some basic elements that are required for setup and should be considered when purchasing a Max IP system. You will need a SIP server, a DHCP server for IP addresses, an extension number assigned to the Max IP on the SIP server, the username and password that is expected by the registrar or SIP server for registering and authenticating to the server, the IP address or URL of the SIP server that the Max IP will register to and route calls through, and any current web browser like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Safari for Mac for configuring the elements above. CleareOne provides an administrator guide for detailed setup instructions. CleareOne's Max IP platform offers a wide range of interoperability with voice over IP phone systems. For a current list of our interoperability partners, please visit CleareOne's website. The interoperability list is constantly being updated. Time for a practice quiz. CleareOne's Max IP and Max Attach IP phones can be used directly with any voice over IP phone system. True or false? The answer is false. It must be a SIP-based voice over IP system. Next question. The Max Attach IP can link up to how many phones or pods? Is it A, 2, or B, 4? The correct answer is B, 4. Final question. Which of the following are true about SIP? A stands for Simple Initiation Protocol. B is a signaling protocol for IP networks. C makes telephony another web application. Or is it A and B and C, or all of the above? The correct answer is B and C. It is a signaling protocol for IP networks and makes telephony another web application. SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol. Thank you for your time.